English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 43.
John has a sore ankle. It might be broken. John has a sore ankle. It could be broken. It's not very swollen, so it might not be serious. His ankle was so sore yesterday that he could not walk. His ankle was so sore yesterday that he couldn't walk. It cannot be broken because John walked to the doctor. It can't be broken because John walked to the doctor.
Faye's got a sore throat and isn't feeling well. She might have a cold. My eyes are itchy and I have a runny nose. It could be hay fever. I was so sick last week that I couldn't get out of bed. I can't have the flu because I don't have a high temperature.
I might be able to change your doctor's appointment time for you. Carla felt so sick last weekend that she couldn't go back to work until Wednesday. Bastian might not be able to come over as he's allergic to most pets, and I have 3 dogs. Your wrist can't be broken as you're able to lean on it without much pain. I recommend you go to the hospital. Your stomach pain could be appendicitis.
Hi, Jess. Have you seen Selena today?
Hello, Boris. Sorry, no. I don't think she's at work today.
Is she at that marketing conference?
No, she can't be. That's next week.
Well, she might just be late. The traffic was awful this morning.
Possibly. But she wasn't feeling very well yesterday, so I think she might be off sick.
Yeah, she did mention to me that she had a sore throat yesterday. She might have a cold or something.
James, her assistant, has got the flu. She could have caught it from him.
Oh no. I hope she's not off sick for too long. I really need her help with this report.
You could send her an email. She might still be checking her messages from home.
Thanks, Jess. But she could be asleep. I might ask Sarah if she can help with the report today.
Good idea.
Doctor, my son's wrist is sore.
It could be sprained.
Yes, I did walk here, but I think it's broken.
It can't be broken.
My boss had a bad cough yesterday.
He might not go to work today.
I've got a sore throat and a headache.
You might have a cold.
I heard you weren't very well yesterday.
I couldn't get out of bed. It can't be morning already. I've hardly had any sleep. I can't find my doctor's letter, so it might be lost. My hay fever could be getting worse because my eyes are itchy and sore. Marco's arm could be infected because it's red and swollen. I think my dad has a cold because he can't stop sneezing. Jackie had a skiing accident and might need an operation on her knee. If you don't feel any better soon, you might need to go to the doctor. That can't be Elsa skating over there because her ankle's broken. We're stuck in traffic, so we might be late for the appointment.
The doctor said I might need an operation if my knee doesn't improve. Majid can't be feeling very sick. He's playing soccer tonight. I'm starting to get a lot of headaches. My sister said I might need glasses. My shoulders ache. It could be because I work all day at a desk. Your stomach ache might not be serious. It might just be something you ate. The reason you've got a pain in your foot could be because your shoes are too small.
End of lesson 43.